Next, we're going to cycle the machine into a low speed, into low gear. It's a geared spindle, okay? Let's shift it into low gear. What's the RPMs that's running? It's running at 1,000 RPMs. Now we're going to bump that into the lower end of the high gear. Shift the gears. What's the RPM? 1,500. That's at 1,500 RPM. Now we're going to shift into high gear at the upper end of the machine's RPMs, so 6,000. Very smooth acceleration and deceleration. Now we're going to run a quick program to run the machine through travel in all 3 axes and a few tool changes for the purposes of the video. Quick walk around. There's the Fanuc I-80M controller. The machine, head, table, model decal, 30 position turret. This is all the oils and refrigeration devices on the unit. Whey oil. The opposite side of the machine, you got the electrical panel, and up you can see the arm to the controller and the head from the other side, the ways.